Hi, it's Jonathan from Kynection, and I've got a new product that I'm pretty excited about. This is our Lokie. It's obviously a padlock that is wireless and keyless. And it works on Bluetooth, and we've got two variants here. We've got the 3G variant with the extended battery on the bottom, and we've got a 4G variant here. We're going to show you how it all works. So this is a Lokie in an exploded view, as you can see. So we've got the shackle here at the top, we've got the body, we've got the brains, the electronics here, and then we've got the extended battery. Typically these locks can last up to a year with the extended battery, and it all depends on the polling rate of the GPS location and how many times the thing's unlocked. Typically we'd say about 6 months would be pretty safe. It senses that I'm in Bluetooth range, so I can click on the Lokie, and then it shows a picture of the padlock that it's locked. Now to unlock the padlock, all I simply have to do is click unlock. It actually sends a command to the padlock, which will start flashing. So once the unit's unlocked and requesting unlock, you can see that it's flashing the light here. We can simply just press the button and you can hear the servo turnover. And then from here, we can then pull the lock out. All the system is fully integrated back to our GPS and back to our KIM system. So if you need your assets to be put into one place, they can be all tracked and traced in the one application. As you can see, once I lock that again, it now automatically locks and it will just show on the phone that the system is locked. Now you actually can see the GPS map of where the actual lock is as well, where you can actually go in and click onto that Lokie. You can see exactly where it is, and this is where you actually can get a history report on unlock times and the location of where it's been. So we can actually find out what time someone's unlocked it, and if we have multiple users as well, it will actually log which users unlocked that lock as well. As you can see, this is a lock without the extended battery attached, and it uses a special charging portal, as you can see here. It uses USB-C, and so that just gets plugged directly into the lock, and then you can plug that off to any normal phone charging point. So it's a good note to have that if you actually have a power bank or something like that, you could actually charge the lock while it's still on the fence. You don't actually need to remove it, and this can be just left in there while it's charging, rather than taking the lock off and putting it onto your desk.